All right, so we are touching up seam lines with Flex Seal to seal off the water from getting inside the tubes. Because what's happening is the water is getting inside here and it is causing havoc on these tubes, and it is causing rust to bleed out onto everything. So unfortunately, we have to seal this best we can with some Flex Seal where the welds are. Otherwise, it's just going to keep bleeding out all over the car. So that is what we are doing today. So what is everybody else doing on their Sunday? Probably the same thing I'm doing here. It's good stuff though, Flex Seal, you know. But we noticed that we were having a problem with the tube where the weld is bleeding through. So unfortunately, this is what we have to do to keep the rainwater and stuff from getting inside here and causing a problem. It really isn't it's not the end of the world, but it needs to be addressed. Otherwise, we're going to run into all kinds of other issues, which I don't really want to keep having all these issues. So, we're going to try out this in hopes that it does what we hope it's going to do. Keeps everything from rusting away back here. Supposedly, once I mount the plexiglass back on that holds our decals from all of the places we've been and seen, this should keep it from bleeding rust everywhere again. And it should seal the weld so that it does not continue to do what it's been doing, and that is causing rust to run down and get all over the roof of the car and cause problems. And yeah, so hopefully this will fix the problem. Time will tell. That's all we can really do is seal it, you know. So that's what I'm doing, sealing it off. A little drip on the car right there, not a big deal, is what it is. And yeah, so hopefully we'll be in good shape on that side. I'm gonna check the other side too. See how that's going. car's coming along pretty well, and everything's looking pretty shabby. Shabby. Seal this off. We'll seal this off over here. I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm actually gonna see if I can brush some of this one here. Get more of a sealed look. Railings here because they seem to be fading from the sunlight. So hopefully this will give it a better protective seal over here. And it brushes on pretty good. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. It brushes on nice. So why not utilize it a little bit? Some in there like that. And then give it a nice clean look. Right up to the top. Right over the top, just like that. You can basically just paint it right on. And it should seal it right up. Yeah. So what's everybody else doing? Probably not this, but it's all right. Dries pretty quick. Kind of impressed. Workable as it is. Gotta work it. And it kind of finds its own way into all the cracks, so that's good. I don't even know if you guys can hear me at all. I'm kind of mumbling over here, but seems to be doing what it's supposed to do. Pretty well. I think if I ever take the tubes off and everything, maybe one day I'll just do the whole rack. I think that probably wouldn't be a terrible idea. Do the whole rack. Looking pretty good. What do you think? You think it's looking pretty good?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it will prevent any more leakage from getting in.
Yeah.
Or any rusting.
Well, these are aluminum, but yeah, it definitely will help it. That's for sure. it kind of gives it a little bit of a protective coating on here from the elements, you know? So it's not gonna, certainly not gonna hurt it at all. I gotta get back up here. See, I could have probably done this a while ago, really. I mean, but it chose to hold off. Sounds like we got a crow. Looking for attention, huh? Crow noise. Yeah, it's not gonna hurt anything. It's only gonna check stuff, so might as well. Did really well around here. So that's pretty much sealed. Yeah, so awesome, right? Pretty
Yeah.
awesome. I'm gonna do the front one. See, anybody that's into maintaining their equipment is probably watching this video going, well, I probably would do it a different way, but I'm thinking this is a rubber coating, so it can't certainly hurt anything. And they say it won't peel off, that it's pretty permanent once you put it on there. So I'm hoping that they're certainly correct when they say that. Oh, I got it on my hand. Huh. Yeah, don't make a mess with it because cleanup's kind of crappy. What are you gonna do? And I'm trying to keep it off the actual rubber grommet. I don't want it to have a chemical reaction to the rubber and cause it to dry out any more than it is. It does seal nice. No doubt. No doubt about it. Gives a nice seal. So if anybody from haha I'm not being sponsored by Flex Seal at all. I've watched other videos where people have said, you know, I use this product, but we're not being sponsored. But if anybody knows anybody back there at Flex Seal, if they want to sponsor me, I love their product. I try to use it all the time. So if anybody's out there that works for Flex Seal, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always looking for a sponsor. Hate it when the sun gets in your eyes though, because then you can't see what you're doing. Yeah, I think Flex Seal is a great product, and I would be honored to be sponsored by them. You know? Who sponsors you? Flex Seal. I know I put my rag somewhere. Oh, here it is. Ah, yep. So, you know, we hope everybody's enjoying this, what seems to be a gorgeous day. I mean, it really is. Even though it's also a great day to do some maintenance. Hopeful. Yeah, this stuff. Awesome stuff. I love Flex Seal. So anyway, I'm just mumbling on now, so. Amy and I hope that everybody has had a somewhat productive year with the unfortunate everything that's been going on in this world, and we hope that everybody is getting out and enjoying some time and not having to do a lot of maintenance to their vehicles. So, in closing, I'm just going to close the video with saying stay healthy and happy and do what makes you happy and get out and do things. We apologize for not being able to do a lot of videos over the last few months. The truth of the matter is, unfortunately, the COVID-19 hit us real close to home. Amy ended up with it, and it was a pretty bad situation. She's fine now. We're going to hopefully start making a lot of videos. We can't promise more than maybe one a week or one every couple of weeks, because unfortunately, like 80 to 90% of us, we all have to work in order to get out and enjoy what we like doing. But we'll try to get more videos out. So in closing, like we normally do, you're not going to see Amy because she's behind the camera, but she'll send us off, and we hope that everybody has a great rest of their Sunday and you enjoyed this little do-it-yourself video, which really wasn't much of anything really. And yeah, so.
All right, so I hope you all make it a great week. Stay safe. Until the next time, we'll see you then. Bye.